A little bit of cooking today on site. 16 ounces is equal to 2 cups. This is 16.9, so I get like a little drink out of that and then pour it into this pan to make the rice. For 2 cups of water, which is about 16 ounces, and a little bit of oil. They say vegetable, I'm putting virgin. And then the package, bring to a boil and let it simmer. I'm gonna put a little oil in here to start. Put a little oil in the pan so I can get this out of the way. Let's get my onion chopped up first so I have that all done and I'm not moving the table around much. A nice sweet Vidalia onion. Alright, got the burner going. Just some oil up there. And I gotta dump my packet in. So we bring that to a boil and let it simmer, I think, for 7 minutes. Yeah, 7 minutes with reduced heat. We'll get this cooked first so it's done. Keep it stirred so the stuff doesn't burn on the bottom of the pan. I'm getting close to a boil here. And what I'm going to do is add the chili I've got in a can when I'm all done, and the onions, if they'll fit. Okay, so we're headed down and let it simmer if we can. That's not a simmer, but we're on a cook stove. It's a really small flame. Is it still coming out? Yeah. I'm gonna add a few onions right now. Just grab a bunch, throw them in there. Some of them will be fresh, some will be like, I don't know if we'll fit the chili in. I might do that separate. Kind of help to put those cool onions in and bring that temp down a little bit. I'm just going with, you know, we used to cook out in the mountains like this all the time. And just go without a clock, pretty much. Have is just a little ground pepper, put in there. Usually I like to put basil. I don't have all that with me today. I do have this though, some smokehouse maple seasoning for the steak. Always time something with smoking a cigarette too. It's usually 5 to 7 minutes if you want that. Alright, this is almost done. I'm gonna do the steaks next. Not too bad. It's pretty good. What about the chili with no beans? That's not what I wanted. But we'll take some of that and I'll put it into here and see how it is. We'll get those spices and stuff. Stove, it's really hard to adjust down to a low flame with it. So just to get these finished off, I do like the setting part on this, which is great. Almost finished here. We're done. Ready for food. Ready to chow. And throw those onions on there. That's dinner. I'm eating right out of my pan. This is an old Wagner, part of my collection.